In those seasons where there was a really chunky leave.
So guys, today, very quiet morning. It's now 1 o'clock. It's going to be approaching New York Open. London's been very quiet, as I just said. The only opportunities that I'm looking for is if price comes up to this high. We can clearly see that we're in a bullish trend if I zoom out. I mean, you could argue we're ranging, but because this broke this high and this low here is a higher low, I'm looking for the continuation. So if we break above this high, then I'll be looking for shorts, and then if we pull back again, I'll be looking for the continuation. Look, we're breaking the highs, so if we can break above this high or reject this high on the hourly, I'll need some kind of hourly engulfing or hourly momentum, which will mean on the 2 minute, some kind of breakdowns. Clearly breaking through this high, we'll see if we continue or whether we start slowing down and get deceleration. In that case, if we get deceleration, I'll look for a pullback move short. If not, I will look for, like I said before, price to retrace back to an area of value and then look for the continuation. So a couple of opportunities on the cards. So guys, just got out of the gym, looked on my phone, because I've been monitoring that position that I said earlier, when it broke the high, looking for the pullback move. It has pulled back, but we haven't been able to get into it, which is so frustrating because, again, I've been waiting for that setup, been at the desk, went to the gym, there was still no opportunities, but with the 2 minute time frame, things can happen quick, same with the 10 minutes. So I was been watching it, and then it just went. So I'll show you on the charts, one of those things, again, that's what gives me confidence. I just need to be better and execute. I mean, you can't help missing trades sometimes, but yeah, I'll show you now. So as you can see, this was the pullback move that I was looking at. I said earlier on this morning, if we broke above this high, we're then looking for pullback moves. And I was at the gym at this point, so I didn't actually get an entry, which is frustrating. But as you can see, on the 2 minute, we broke down clearly, pulled back to the levels that I like, the 0.382, the 2 minute 50, and the entry would have been sat here. So tight stops, but again, that's what can happen sometimes with some of these pullback moves. And then the target, as I would have said, my pullback moves, I always target the 10 minute 50. So that's there because it's a pullback move. This is still in a bullish trend. So yeah, as you can see, we have pulled back. I did miss this trade, which is frustrating because obviously a trade offering 4 to 1 is good risk reward considering we're in a bit of drawdown. So. Also guys, great response to that last video. I think people like the transparency, me being raw and honest about the trading, and that's what I want to do. You know, there's not many people out there that are showing the realities, documenting it week by week live. There's no manipulation of me changing trades or not showing losses or only showing winners. I'm showing everything, and I appreciate, you know, everybody that's supported. We're nearly there, so yeah, really appreciate it. So guys, all I ask is hit that like button, comment your thoughts, watch all the way to the end. There should be some good advice throughout this video. This time last year, I started taking YouTube seriously. I set up the channel like a year ago, and to see the progress, I think that I'll try and put up a picture here, but this was when I first started. I had like 100 subscribers or 50 subscribers or something like that. Then I decided to take it seriously around this time last year where I was uploading regularly. So to get to nearly 3,000 subscribers in 1 year means so much. Also guys, I see your comments about the strategy that I'm trading, and I 100% respect it and appreciate this. Appreciate the comments. I'm not claiming to be, I've got experience in the markets. The strategy that I'm trading is unique to me, and I have data to suggest that it works. But if I fail this FTMO challenge and I have to reset, I'll take on board everything you say. Like I said, the reason why I don't want to change things now is because I don't want to not allow my edge to play out. If I change, you know, my entry model, people saying to enter at the different price, or the 0.382 fib isn't a good place to enter. I 100% respect that. But if I change my strategy midway through this challenge, let's say I change it and then a sequence of winners occur, I'm not going to be able to capitalize on those moves. So you don't want shiny ball syndrome. You don't want to keep changing your strategy midway through just because you've had a sequence of losses or a couple of losses. I'm going to allow my strategy to play out. I'll hold my hands up and I'll be accountable in front of everybody that if I fail this FTMO challenge, I can then, you know, show my process of reassessing, getting back on track. Okay guys, so this was the pullback from yesterday, as you would have seen. Now today it is now 12 o'clock. Nothing really has happened too much. We've just been going up. I'm looking for the pullback moves again, which is looking quite nice. If We can get a breakdown on the 10-minute and the 2-minute. 2 minutes broken down, but we need a breakdown on this 10-minute to confirm the trend. However, it's NFP soon, so that's extremely volatile. So with NFP, I don't trade. It's extremely volatile, so I'll tend to sit out of that. So if we get an entry after or slightly before, then I might take the trade, but it's not looking likely. Hey guys, a couple of minutes away from NFP. As you can see, 1:30 NFP comes out. We'll see how volatile it is. Again, I probably won't be trading. There's no setups, and yeah, it's obviously extremely risky trading NFP. It's extremely volatile, so I'll be sitting on the sidelines. But let's see the reaction, you know, with the elections, and then obviously this is non-farm payroll, it's different, but it's still a lot of volatility in the market. There we go, a couple seconds away, guys. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Incredibly sharp sell-off. Are we going to sustain that, or is it just a rejection? Zoom out a little bit. This is why you've got to be very careful. It's extremely volatile. Okay, now I pop to the upside. Wow. Let's go to the 10-minute. Spiked into the pivot and now rejected the 10-minute. Now we're off. Guys, so it's Friday, about 4 o'clock, a couple of hours after NFP now. Not too much happening. I mean, it's Friday, so I don't like to hold trades over the weekend, and we're getting past the sessions that I like to trade. So I'm probably going to head to the gym. But yeah, takeaways for this week is I need to not be missing those trades. That 4% pullback move, obviously in this video you'd have seen me plan it out. I wasn't at the charts, I was at the gym at that point, so I wasn't able to execute. It wasn't due to fear, it wasn't due to psychological reasons for not entering. I just wasn't at the charts. That would have been very nice to contribute towards getting this funding, and you can't really be missing those trades. But like I said, I wasn't actually at the chart, so I couldn't really do too much about that. Reflect on the week, journal what I did well, any other missed positions that I'm not aware of. As far as I'm aware, I haven't missed anything other than that trade that I showed you. And yeah, hopefully next week will be good. Again, keep progressing, keep documenting. Hopefully people like the raw, honest approach. I mean, there's so much rubbish out there. There's so many people lying and faking a lifestyle. And this is what needs to be going forward for the industry, you know, to have credibility. Whenever I say what I do, I'm learning trading or I'm a trader or whatever, people automatically have a stigma about what you're trading. They think Forex, they have this negative connotation. That's because of the stupidity that's shown on social media. So that's why I want to be that raw, honest, you know, person, just documenting like probably all you guys are trying to do. And when we progress, when we get these funded accounts, when we keep improving, it's going to be really good to look back and see the progress and have it all documented on YouTube. And hopefully you guys that are newer can get value. Hopefully we can build this community on YouTube. And appreciate all the support. Let's help this get to 3K. Let's help me get to 3K subscribers. We're extremely close. It'd be really nice to hit it this weekend. I'd appreciate the support. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, follow my Instagram down below. I'll leave it down below. I'm doing daily reels, so you'll be able to see my life outside of trading and YouTube on there. And yeah, appreciate the support, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.